Great day, low carbers. It's the low carb health doctor chef in the house. And as promised, I'm going to give you low carb keto tips every now and then to help you live your low carb lifestyle effectively, practically, and deliciously. This is the first, and watch out for many others coming soon. You see this? This amazing device here is what they call a microwave oven. And I'm sure you've got your own there somewhere in your place. And the good news is you can do some great keto stuff with it. And you see this? This wonderful device is called a mug. I'm sure you've got one of these too. So today, I'm going to help you create something wonderful with your microwave oven and your mug. And we shall call it the Microwave Keto Choco Mug